everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Stripe account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So to start, go to your browser and search for stripe.com. And from here, just type on sign in and click on create account at the bottom. After that, we're going to type in some personal details like email, full name, country, and password. Once you're done, just go ahead and click on create account. After that, Stripe will ask you to verify your email, so just tap on open Gmail to check the verification email. Once you're here, you have to tap on verify email address, tap on that. After that, you'll be redirected here again, and this time they'll ask you to activate payments, so just click on this one. So first is to verify your business, so just put your business location and what type of business you have. Next is verify personal details. Just input your name, email, date of birth, home address, and phone number. And once done, just tap on continue. And in here, you're asked for VAT number of your business, what industry, business website, and product description. So just fill out this form, and after that, just tap on continue. And now how you fulfill orders. So in my case, within 1 day, and I'll just tap on continue. Now in public details, you can put here your YouTube channel link, your Instagram business link, or Facebook link. And now for step 2, bank details. Here we're going to fill out this form, so just provide the currency, country of the bank account, sort code, and account number. And once done, just tap on continue. Now we want to make sure our account is secure, so here you can use an authenticator app. You can add a security key or use SMS. In my case, I'll just use an authenticator app. Now this is optional, so I'll just scroll down and click on no thanks. We are almost done, so we just need to review the information we provided to make sure everything is right and correct. And once you feel that everything is right, click on agree and submit. And we're finally done setting up your Stripe account. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.